I am in the crunch. She was a mimi come call her baby or no could get him. I didn't know good. I don't know who could you know no have been happening. Oh, any on the once. If you be on a canna, oh, be family may order to Takana over me or church and
Galamsey so honsam kakra. Buying chess Galamsey for the Yachini Pabibre. Now, the chases number of the
catcher's number.
And no more the say ye behuni pa okofa excavator ne by. Na fe yakwako neli onwa. Any other issues say waha. Say you can more introduce you hodada. How do you introduce you more introduce you hodada. You know asolmo wusu. And ode ne ho eka mu kakra. Batwa wasa ye fresh cra.
Meje mahome.
And I'm a co-host Jennifer for you are.
Maybe your co-host.
Me no dey introduce show. Yes. Why?
Me.
Oh.
The
Emmanuel Adote Alotes.
So boy your phone kai si onye bi. Still no mo che onye.
Oba ya na mbisa say still.
Aben, I'm Aben. We show you more.
Aben.
Pope you call mama no.
Aben. Vacancy.
No information.
Pope Aben.
So look at the other side.
Aben bu ana ya rechichire o. Ebe die ya chichire me we free
you are sure so bet ma hwe alote ni ma ko 4 years.
Me remanim. They tell me 4 years. Me remanim fie nwotwe.
Alote experience is the best teacher. Me dem nko bi da.
Me tunofo. Babu kan na me ye party adwa na msa na me ye party adwa ni. But me na dey back so party chairman munya. What ya so chairman munya.
And they won't mean
ti ahanye ya habe. They say kura say wako elections.
E bi intimacy. Alote ma me shase wo ho. Obama is a Galamsey Chief Justice remover no baby a obeshase free bia na ona wa bam
yo Obama mami fa konya winchia ahwefo nyina no pay na omo amutie yenso on radio anope me chi obia na menchia was studio nso ampa ya fi solo pa ndi solo me chi awo
mejo so menua
ena mi amenua Jennifer Chavez no pay me chi awo
adia ba ko hu ni mo se me ye June 4th born mo say ye to ya ye be ko
be revolution
na 2 me papa is an ex senior military officer.
Okay,
I'm a trained military daughter.
Okay,
barracks here
and I don't know mojano
but I am
I don't pay much now
na me come use mirror
na Obama aminchia ora mahama anope na nyame ya dom oba ye Good Friday service e Independence Square Lighthouse shem kesia ye wo no baby na o preach pa me kai say me the board of the church cry agree say fan pastor Mahama yes enjano pe ora mama me chiao ye guso e bom pa ye na nyame e ma hondin na ontumi enfam bojuma na wo bono na me di me inchia no eba last one mami chia mi mami Dr. Valerie Sawyer no pay me channel so ono so nyame because I bomb pa nyame nka no na mo bojuma
amen
Obama on the issue of the Chief Justice no say sometimes no I get a little bit worried with the me Jennifer any party for no but I think say we have to do something with the constitution.
Okay,
na yenhwe say opposition should be given some assignment because my mama said they are too idle and in Jama they just wake up and they do press conference every time. I mean that's how I see it. I think we should assign something to them to be doing.
Okay,
they are too idle because we share if anything I'm talking about my minority. They should be given something to do. At least you will say no oba anopa okay at least co-host to Obama Ebojuma come on
Tuesday
because let's look at the whole story. Last year, some people even petitioned Orakufadu concerning this same Chief Justice,
Professor Kwaku Asare.
Exactly. And I think so. Orakufadu, the same UNIFA, he went according to the Constitution, Article 146.
Yeah.
Edima, Council of State, FM1. I don't know what happened finally. Whether the issue was not too much weight here, and I say, Na nyina so bi anim and entina was aborted on the, I don't know. The same way, 3 people have petitioned Ora John Dramani Mahama as the current president. Is going through the normal process. Or they are called Council of State. They are looking at it. And I feel so. Chief Justice one trained on also be a copy of the petition. Now so you can say ye mau 10 days. Also for 7 days for 10 days. Na response. So I think we are in the process. Why the Russia a press conference now? Your friend is saying I am for name. I saw him paying for na yen cancel Ora Mahama. On what? So that he will stop the whole process. I don't get it. Oh, whenever it is not on their side, as if the whole world is coming to an end. Oh, and we are in the NDC, we are not perturbed by this because Obekaya or Rollins claim my warning 2016 on at Cape Coast. Obekai say as for Queen party there, almost is now it's just their name that they keep changing from UGCC, EBA UP, EBA PP, and then NPP. They don't change. Wow. So we will never be moved by some of these things. Assuming you are the one, at the Jubilee House, and in same way, you will go through according to the rule of law. And that is exactly what the president is doing. So I don't see the noise about all these things. So let us go through the normal process. Friend is saying, Council of State, they will come out with their report. Maminanka said, "Man, copy. We are responding. Let us look at a response. Then, from the Constitution, the president has the right to even put it on suspension.
Yes.
We have not even said it. Then a committee of 5, members will be formed. 2 from there. These are the process.
May breaky story of the members of the committee now.
Yes.
Members are yeah. But investigations into her matter. It means that a prima facie case has been established.
Is according to the law.
Yes.
According to Ghana's constitution, whether the constitution has issues or not.
Yes.
That is what we are using now. So according to Ghana's constitution, and Ora Mahama come one by one. And he said, "You found something." He said, underground works to establish further and better particulars now. Then maybe it's coming from the Council of State, paying for no, but they want to be sure before they take the next step. So I think we should all relax. Now, but we are more pushing near my no. I say Mamino is a member of the MPB's women's wing. That's how I see it. Yes, otherwise I don't see why you should be doing this. The president has not violated any of the laws as far as the procedure is concerned. If he has done that, they should tell us. Say Bia, I take a 146, from 1 to 10, and then a portion that concerns the Chief Justice, if he has sidestepped any of the laws, come out and tell us what the issue is. Otherwise, so far, nothing has been violated.
Okay.
So if you exercise patience, let's get to the bottom. When we get to the point that says she has to be suspended, it's according to law.
Okay.
So committee, committee, 5-member committee, now say there's nothing for her to go home. So we'll get there. Let's just wait. But press conference and the noise and all those things, like you are making it clear that it's a member of the MPB's Women's Wing. That's the whole thing. Otherwise, say
she's the CJ and the more protecting the office.
No. But okay, so the media, civil society, NDC, and all the other groups in the country there, we are not protecting the office. Only the MPP and the minority, will give protection to her office. No, maybe there's something they're not telling us.
Okay.
There's something they know they benefited, and for that matter, they don't want the woman to be changed. But look, in Seminole, we are not mandated to talk about the details of the petition. But some of them has to do with procurement.
Okay.
I'm telling you. And some of that have to do with like a Public Financial Management Act that is supposed to follow. At the right time, everything will come out. If she deserves to stay, why not? But otherwise, they say, Uncle, she has to go. Nobody is above the law. On one kind, time issues in parliament, I record it. It's okay. Nobody is above the law. The law is supreme. Say, law ni chiwa achiu. So let's relax. They enjoy noise. Until America, I feel like they should be given something to do. They are too idle. Like they be a press conference. They have had different members of their unit. Kasa near Onimisha boundary now within first month now amount of suspension. Jerry Ahmed Honorable Kasa Mensia South in Paso Kasa John Obi Kasa. You see, they are not even really organized. I say, what lose election? You take your time and sit down and put your things together. But the way they are rushing, so we don't even know who is leading their legal team or whatever. Everybody is talking just to show off. But it will not move us. Orura Mama is focused. Yeah, the too many chaining same say Ghana for now baby MPP party ye call ya brave. It should take cut from that side. Look, last time we were discussing something. I think say we were talking about the price. Few 3-4 years ago, and say Saturday and then ye turn is hano. And I said, look, Ghana for ye brave power. MPP at the ye call more than slavery. Ye brave. And that is the focus of the presidency. Nyamana unko you he will fix everything. So give the man the chance to work. But like I said, no, we are not perturbed. We are focused in delivering. On the issue of Galamsey, no.
Well, you can go CJ. Okay. When you initial comment on the CJ, Galamsey.
But that's in the Obama. Okay. My sister, Queen, and any party, they should relax. Nah, you insist your mind. Ghana for are willing. What Ghanaians want, like they should have abundant food to eat. Then endorse. They should be able to buy fuel, pay their bills, pay the fees for their kids. So they can and same now, and then no way it should not help us. The law has not been violated. Yeah, follow Article 146
due process.
Steadily. Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
Queen, removal of the CJ, or say more party for no more Casamame no day, or you more member now. Yeah. Wow, yeah. What's that? Kofa when Sunny be when Sana Okoye say, I say, and Casa.
Oh, so another. I would on someone when he
was production.
Yes.
If we are no pay, I am hot. I don't take coffee, but when you decap, the Amman and no right to our dinner,
empty pockets, empty hands, empty position.
Charge here. He delayed them. Oma Shaman for the charge, and you're quite a corporate PR baby. TV3 ni guy be say, well, yeah, PR for a friends at Bank of Ghana, only a post to post. I was a post to post. So yeah, where? To our was the same problem.
And you so to NDC for the moon to mean Kanya.
We are crutches, say, well, rain it away. I don't need a crutch in it. Buy and go get it in the old year. Some more cool. A money been a weekend. TV3 neighbor. Eh, what my phone is maybe actually. The minimum of Fatus
on Casamma or Yenejuman.
Oh, a small maker won't say. Will be as though be at any order will be our. Nakuma will be our baby. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
But what yes. It's yet to have it yet, none channel in any week. Or my maybe a Mahamu met no more.
They are looking to boycott AngelMorningShow.
But Jennifer and I said,
Jennifer said, Mamma,
or as it will be met no money and wapa. Or maybe so afraid me catch me by powder.
But show you,
you have a cancer, baby. Any try or when you are responsible, they said, dear Miss Sunday, say she when, sir, dear me, I am a shame, and to Miss Sunday. Yes, I made it anyway, no problem.
Show with them reform.
No answer, my dear, shame them reform. And some I mean, you have a malute can say minority near you, my also me at my. The air no closer come to Yaka. Amount to me sounds a bit to meet. Yeah, and was so much Yaka. Because Omutia ye more responsible opposition party. Mo put more toes. So here a press conference na na baby any wa state say e bia mresi ho kwan say mampaniana mo na wo say if I'm being fair mampaniana mo na wo tu no ya de boni but ye ka say ye ma fairness enya adwuma. Initially, nipa miensa kuo miensa na omo troko ma mampania. Mampani bo akire de koma
Council of State.
So omo hwem. and I'm Crophobia so cry, yes, Savvy be almost 56% of Ghanaians. 52% of Ghanaians, some are men. Now I don't want him, because me will be and share me, Miss Bido.
Say, survey sample size.
No, we gonna say, I'm on the two internet. I'm gonna say, because me share Bida. Oh, I near Flo radio station, be a Flo say, David Analytics for say, which they will say, Miss will be an interview, madam, and I'm crying, and I'm Ghana. Mammy be a share about TV as I want to say, and I'm reassing. And then we have to be a miss. So, Tassie, you have to be a miss. And I am one like a cry. Now, so almost intelligence or more. You're a luty, Mammy Cassin Mitchell. A new patriotic party, a minority or more parliament. We are not against this government. We are not going to be against this government. Name say a put on moon toes. Then you may go as I jam on this sukakra. Because so Kaiser man penny, you're a John Romani mamma, no opposition. Or to a semi mad about me, and so we need man penny da. It's a same way I can't. When should you only deal with DB Wako and film what you was about to one who knew dear? But what did they mention us? It is a dear at the hand one found to baby and so you see. A one is seeing Yadi will be a year free. You could see when you have a muscle. Maybe some questions I didn't soon a free aqua. It does not mean say ni be I nipa no free akosi and only be unconfirmed free ankosia. I see a no. Fantastic. So what man say? Enti maame no ade kura wa ye no no ankasa trako. Ebra nipa miensa no suggest say ye no say. Omoma ni hu ne boni. Me tie say me nim de maame no. To be honest with you say am on charge. Omo the charges are
petition na na ehwehwem.
Petition na na ehwehwem. Maame no so omoma ni hu what is in the petition. No no so wo we bi a ono so what me rebate and as ono so will be ono so e dey aba in air defense. Eti eno ne ade a ye ka ho asem sisi. But akwa yes as will be ad na no si maame no so. To be honest with you, me nim de maame na ye. Yes na is giving room for people to ask questions. Say mo ko campaign mo kasa maame no ye ba ye be yi no, ye be yi electoral commission, ye be yi we. Mo kasa ansam no na sesa na ye ma we koso na ye ntemamufo no. Ye nim de asinti a ye yi maame na. It gives us every cause and us every reason to believe say moka say mo be you know na quite a persecution when I say yeah ni be you have to be out of there na dia na person koso wo o tedwa mu fo no so no tedwa mu fo no so because the person koso at all cost o mu feel say maame because ne alotemu nkrofo no bi hia o mu ka say maame is not in line with them o mu ne nya adwene there are lot of cases o mu de call when ma cases ni bi kro mu cases bi brego wo ani wo bi say o mu charges na and someone omo can be no.
Now we say any petition.
Any petition, but uti o manu masam tede iralote waboye sobo say ni bibia ye.
Ntende kwancha bobo no.
And the only iralote mpato wa ye candidate. Ono so de ne kwancha bobo no okay. Ti ono so di kwancha bobo. But what you say the omo nkrofo ne keka na ye kwancha bobo na say equally or the ono so kana ye kwancha bobo. Ye besre ye ma fairness pepe. Mampani ba no kaso be fama pa. A man do no or maybe celebrities be anya bi o man ye zazu zo mama is the whole o man yo ho ni bi but o man nya post here reality to nya bi mama is a whole this we ho sa e ma man no is a whole is a contact to mama is a whole no ma t-shirt is a whole is a minti ho no
and I'm see yan kanisa
and a ho ne yakofo fankrofo aba here reality to wa eto wo nya ma no mama mu bi etika man wo m crank but what you say aban be about promise mama 40% mama yeah time no NDC 20 MPP 20 members of parliament which was not enough for both sides e Ghana and the Ghana man nyina ya manyosem and na message say enu am man ya omo noye no mo krokroye say bibi kura ne nko ya no matene now the bro be gina me susa na say ohunu am say adwuma suma ye no makasa 15 years old
nya fe na o shase
ma ya manyosem 27 years and na from nya fe na me shase ti o se mo na mbom chi dom na buta mechi di mana mo so kakra ti akobase ye de ani si oba so ti se ma me die ya na ka me akwakoye say a man no yasam na ye mo but I'm surprised say a woman swing a man na o ma titru fo mu di makoko fo o Ghana ha no obi akana no apado nobody is talking or is it because e maame no ana MPP abreso ne de ne ba into obi any voice o be kasa bi obi losing the voice nobody is talking in terms of a man you see a man ye ne ankasa ye ho ankasa mambofo they can say ye ne ankasa ye ho enemies yes that's the correct word I'm sorry for the first one what you say because kay yen man sorry you I want to ask questions so sorry be na nya and then so nye o men kasa o mo sorry so mo ko echobo ye so o mo kwakon da bi o mo nkasa what you say we should know what we should demand for questions any answers. Sorry, we should demand for answers. We should give them questions to answer.
Okay.
But what I said, dear mama na ye, a dear intini pesi, you know, mama I am from so say. Then you come back again, na your negotiation table, so say, a dear you bet me. I know, sir, as for my Ghana, we are buying by the constitution of the land. It will be is not above the constitution. I think with the exception of the president and for some time. Someone penny your continental intimation just in field which and I asked one.
Oh, say just or ya debut white me. Old person in the cocota, obey seal.
But the best seal a bequac with Jina baby.
Aging a sonor.
A bebac with Jina baby. A young way, Sabendi for. What to be that Ghana has our bandy for. To go to Escamore court. Ah, Debbie. Tino, Yenina, no Yenina, be a potential way to the Mrana, a boy home and Yabestre. Or Mama Pepper ye.
Okay.
Now you who say, I'm not so wide, dear Bonini. Or Hono ye say, or your intention way. Near the evidence in United Daba. Then is for the emotions Kasa. No more man for every room to also raise questions. I basa yen yana puma sibre. Na at the end of the back we say, I'm in a time about town or some muka na. Okay. And some for you bisa medabanosi. Medabasa I'm saying to goes a soon.
I there basso. Solo. Chief Justice asemi na ese nenanenam fitri asese baby edu no ya tra first stage ye ko second stage first stage ni president receive petition second stage president no the akoma council of state onye under any mandate on chief justice and respond but on one man 10 days we chief justice ya nsha danim or 10 days or respond the natural justice what Trinity. Your movie says your forming committee or mobile investigate a chance council of state and I establish baby. First time I be chief justice a good image at the mouth minor and I said Rema Kakrama, yes, will be a book and
Obama made us a chow, my affairs so mechia, many abanso, any adote, achiemui, any popa to form. Yes, Nicasabu, you know, the top of our Tony Christa was sorry, sorry, no, everyone was sorry opposition. Yem Rabuno, now also when you're Ochefa, and also Chesemore Mojubileas, Monkai adote, Namonian and Temano, Chanego. So, for 7 minutes, you mammy. Obama. Emre being what you see into me, Chief Justice in Frio. Okay. There is no law. And Emre being soon where Chief Justice and your bonia or say in Frio. And you know, Yemra Pono say or more a share constitution. No more say Emre bedroom yen to me, Chief Justice, I came from Kushim. I think 146 is so clear. Yeah. Meme fees my metokono or more tunifono arm. Okay. They have. I'm telling you. Here there was this judge, Supreme Court judge, I know America, in 1969, he had Abbey Fortas. Anna, Omoye so be impeached. On one share, you see, one to me buying a share baby and to qualify free ban on one resign here. Maybe free say, men are between the four can make us own negotiating exit. No uncle. Are they? Because you see, answer will be because will be, you know. First indication. Say ma no be born no Professor Kwaku Asare and my indication. So kind Professor Kwaku Asare petition or the call on the 17th of December 2024 now. Who reading without any political emotion. Now be who say ma no questions to answer. Okay. Now or the call 17th, you know. Ora Ekufuado at the whom by somewhere 2nd or 3rd of January 2025. Now me feel so Ekufuado. Ebe Jai said already at Abanewi. I was on my way out. And you know, the next council of state, the president, you know, made a mom. And we for the say on the obedient to man sanwako. Now the response, you know, I found it very interesting. Professor Kwaku say, raise the issue say, Constitution nika say, Yanko Fanko Fonko Supreme Court. I was a Chief Justice on the Judicial Council and a general. And sana ya didina kwako ede or ako penny. This time around, no. Sadie Nancy, a Chief Justice and a Tran our body in water come up on my penny. And on the face of it, there was an issue to be tried. On my penny wouldn't be on the Buffo. Was it Kwaku a Professor Kwaku Asare, a dear near Bano? Or catch we are seeing answer or the petition in Breno on the 17th or 16th. I know no Kwaku Asare called the Kima media. no no kwa de o hwehwe mre bia nka ye liki ade ba media o se ke de ko chikwaku asare no kra e de tum ni sem hunu no de to na o di no na obo asem to o ye ne basa china chese wagya kwan ama bibia ba ho eba ya na ye nuanom tisim se omo kwa ku defend we so akokọ se o se man kwan e man respond no obi okura tumi ni o ma okwa na respond what next once omo ka se omo kokota koma kota hot process until say the petition be manana o man beni gas mama 10 days you see when obi you must be smart, you must be ahead of the game. Okay, constitutionally no we won't hear 10 days but me say me de enani be cry day asa kan fa 17 bra ye na agwagodu say committee ba be me
yeah
enu tira me ka say me ne no a abra de ye na me negotiate masa mo de mo ma me retire my salary me ko tram baby mo nto aso ba wo yesa woni aban ba betwia sa nkofo ya mo lawyers a yedum ya no matwere ko duru court omo ka no ma se da tiam wa woni wo ye obi na wo tia na de bia kokota lawyer fo ngo duru court mo tom no mo dwene o obese da tiam a onka hu ye be wie no ade ne be dey ebebo tidan ko fa abi fortas osuana na mo no a kotwe no ho eye dey efiri ho ma men so men ka se
esa na so ekoba ne sa ye be appointee chief justice bia na chese nipa bia sorry ana nipa no e de petition kwa na chief justice wa resign
enye common sa ma me ka bi metro na me nua agba ka bi a very good point but o mudi hu fo se o sen ke protect emma but o kroma ni isha lo to say that be when initiate oh assembly you see obi petitioner yes among this is that's the position of the law. In fact, committee cry or mati. Almost one became no. Gaben kukwemu. Yan kamo bi. Minister bi amompene. Ana make say the year can say ma media e wo mbremu say o the petition e ko chief justice this year hu
yes
o man na amra and it orekufodo na bufu and wo mu say professor Kwaku Azanta be start free o say what the petition ban say well leak ama media kra hu say
so ko leak inside
no leak here there was nothing also what they come
no na ndi be da so leak
propaganda.
Oh dear.
He can be lead from Jubilee House. He can even be lead from Jubilee House.
I will shoot Professor Kwaku Azanta over.
Baby, I didn't get to son of it. I don't make you. Didn't I
Azar. Solo to us.
So yes, yeah. And Tina me say a man was 70 MPP for the for. Okay. Woman let me call you oba or contested as MP war. Your friend say a cropon. A cropon, a ablekuma, a Ogago, I'm safe. What just I don't know, Melanco. I don't know, Melanco. I don't want to say, or baby, I will just say, opposition. I'm going to you know, and ask for they force out of the place. They force out of the I was a couple call. No, say I want to the address of Foka form. Say, ya protect it. I just want Casabi. What the Yakaba and I would be on the war, Bana woman. Almost sat Minamicato, Omunia Saniguso. So Omu do what you say. And Nisse, a Cobase, Chief Justice or 1890. But made the American say, Yamfa and Ukreno and Yaguma.
Okay.
Says ya me who petition. Ye me who I ye nam from say no crew, say no crew. Because me who ba could be a dear can say, or to me to quite on a per diem. It's a send a body.
Auditor General.
And that's Auditor General's report.
That's all. I don't know, sir. What just here? $10,000 year to one ye mamma and answer Nebana. But these are issues. I mean, no full petition a day, a coho. But I'm saying this because go for them say a laughable, Ubetie, Obribuan, or say a laughable, dear petition. Who linked it to you? Move say any political football. I was going to descend heavily on this current Attorney General because the last time I buy was a boss by middle of April. Kwabnedu Wine, Nana Semno, our court, 27 Kakrakano. But I say, and I think that we have to pause in this Attorney General and rush it to court because the leader of the judiciary, no, and Kassan, a whole problem one cleaning mess be and Kofobi. All of a sudden, I didn't go for and Wabem. Jennifer, they want to be Kumon because on go dia Bensica. And go for and Wabem, they seem to be fighting for the Chief Justice. I didn't know who.
Opposition, oversight.
Opposition just go fight by Chief Justice.
Oversight responsibility.
Okay, I found you know, one only a minority leader. Was here for the justices in young come and block. Hey, I did some near bay. That is irresponsible opposition. And yet, a son said, Chief Justice not to one or your mammy or your lawyer now, near fear, obey me defending at any time. And as some Yakako can say, I don't think, say, my better Soprano, they will survive it because there is a reason why ya committee a year for me, a mummy and also we are justice of the Supreme Court. Only and colleagues to move to me when any moon for bonnet and your day, and you know.
Okay. And
a young person trainer can, yes, more be a lawyer. As a lawyer, you know a lawyer or bar, Ebi and Hunipa. Ma Obi or Council of State member and because ye Chief Justice, Council of State advice.
Yeah.
Anna Mobia or Parliament now approve. It is system near fair. One coho, not on Congo Canasum.
Okay.
But baby, I'm a tedious. So best survival pa dear.
Also, soon your petition, you also want to buy.
A Council of State for our Mutuan Fujinese, as some horse answer. Miss Anaway, Miss Anaway, Council of State at Traffers, a first row. So there is a question to answer. And you hear, Madam Macacha, to my men for Mutuni.
Okay.
Don't got Casa or Bassa, a cross my camera. My monso a bemu for the Council of State or the letter Basse, a cross my camera. The Edron me negotiating me a quaman yadbro.
Okay.
Near my mamma and continue feeble. Oh,
yeah, that's it. So, Nipa Numna Wakano, I 2 Supreme Court justices and I Justice Court Gabriel Poorman. Poorman was so.
Mr. Mammy Beko.
And I Justice, I see you do.
That's just here to go. Adibu.
Adibu, I see you do. Third one, I am Madame Cecilia Pretty.
Pretty, Greenhouse. Oh, okay.
Number 4, no, I Daniel Yaudom Levo.
Hey, I said, Ayaka.
Yaudom Levo.
Ayaka.
My boy, so 4, no, my boy.
Ayaka. Jenny,
Five member committee.
Supreme Court judges. Other people.
Yes.
Other people.
2 no number 1, but other people near Cecilia Pretty. And Dom Levo. And Professor Gisa on so Legon.
Oh, Professor Gisa. Oh, there be now we about
but any gender
my best about the castle. Sa in some na ya come say Obama I don't believe in it. Obama say Kroma ya the member one the be adwuma say anope ko be say ma working ne boy 50 pesos. What is wrong with that? Yeah, the man one the be adwuma no na say ye kotogo be na ye 1 cedi. What is wrong with that?
The effect is important.
Me I'm not interested in and Obama go share way. Yeah, the Obama kotena ye kotena your friend is Maslo quantum is ikango.
Yanchi no.
And then solo no de so
oh just here. Yeah, the Marty Cromwell and my and I just have a catch school feeding. Mammy, Professor Kwashiga Iri, Omonyong.
Anyway,
I have a man, sir.
Na Solo,
man be dangerous. And a Lumba car, some girls are dangerous.
Alotena, then a minister or no would name the air cost or galamsi also. So when him the air dada, yen him the scale of galamsey.
Obama, yen him, but many when shedan call site, me buana.
Yes.
On our coast site, we call around the forest. Yen so all the corners in and you say, oh, so probably say, Otie, or also kind newsprint in but they say they is in the field wearing the boots. Who say Charlie? Say na air kono Obama And that's the reason why all the emotion touch, you know. Someone says some time ago, some of the interviews, you know, they use strong words against the Galamseyers, you know. They are terrorists, they are this. And the more you deeper know, the more you get to know, say, Obama.
Yes.
Nema young kasa ya say nema. And that's the reason why all kasa with emotion. But before make a glam say, you know, I want me Jennifer say nobody's against him. Nobody says against him, but like so kind, you know. In my woman me have worked with them. Now former Lami me director. They made director of consumer banking say oba oh say imadi obelma me say bisa solo ebomo
omo be ma biblia
but yeah can about ni be ankoyi no. Let's not be talking about oba because maybe Jennifer be say obey ni na on fa sansu embo nra isikem. We have the law must deal with it, and your banner bemasem. It's very simple. Yes. But like when you take it to that angle, now you are trying to play on like on the emotional keyboard. Until Obana just got cry, allow Debbie. Until in America say, let's allow the process. You come here say she's not done anything now. She go back to the office. Why be here? And America say, pay the law, like the law, nobody is supposed to know the content of the petition.
Yeah. Until
they are done with everything. I probably say, oh yes, say. Ghanaians will judge say, Ora Mahamani Council of State no, a year and a say. Very simple. Until be relaxing, but the press conference a year friend it's like you know something.
The Galamsey assembly
Obama. Wa me say Galamsey asem no e asem bia emu edu pa na I think say at this point you know media for say mumma ya papa yenua honorable Amakofibua a standing ovation was so no enra Easter Monday holiday microphone na beach me say na Jennifer eja Easter Monday na kaka no chili kaka wabi but the man me work on that day. Wow. Man, you. And the Easter, who do them? But at least, who relax here? So we see. And I make us say, at least, who relax here? Who so we see? At least, but, minister no didn't relax. On them we bojuma. Easter no koba besu no. Wow. On them we bojuma no. Granted a press conference, and you can see the number of achievements so far. Excavators are actually money now. Friend is saying that village now, yes, the number of people we have arrested and so on. And see, the fight is a fighter. Message yen count. My Galamsey issue no NDC, MPP, ni everybody must come on board because in so na in so say a rap tap no more. Ni NDC tap, ni MPP tap. Ghana water is for all of us.
Yeah.
Wow. Your forest I say it's for all of us. And see, message Obia, let's come on board. And you can see the man is determined to achieve a massive result on behalf of Ura Mahama and Obejuma, and that's the reason why we are getting all these results. Now, Miti issue be about Akunta mining. Jomu license and all the other things. No? And I Miti say management of that company, no, I issue letter challenging and say all these things. But Akunta mining issues didn't start today, me boy.
No,
it happened way back, even under Onankasa regional chairman, Santi regional chairman, Onankasa government. Oh, you can win some. Minerals Commission and in same PSA when they even had prospecting license, just go and just say I didn't be work. It's a mining, but you see, as usual, that's the reason why some of us have so much anger and bitterness against Urakufado. Original program I say, when the committee and we they have not even finished, he cleared them, and that's the reason why today they even have the guy to even challenge. Muyenia, this is they've gone round, and you think they know NDC and I say minister no enim the owner of Akunta Mining enim paying for Mutechi. So you think that we just wake up say yeah job license? No, they have done proper search and we say you are sidestepping the laws. We invaded the forest and doing illegal mining in the forest. And so on and so forth. So say you see a job license, they know what they are standing on.
Okay.
Wow. But I'm not surprised. For example, if people bouting one car, so okay.
Yeah.
Say the kingpins of mining, illegal mining, Galamsey, you know, almost a Jubilee also. And that's the reason why it still has that power to even issue a statement say, Obama,
okay.
And very soon, as the minister no, they be or briefly
and the 40
media no.
courts.
Yes, very soon. When Ejuma minister na I that thing so, Mr. Attorney General in the office so. Any of the legal issues na yedi court no, they should speed up. Na Ghana for who say ye Ejuma no, whoever has offended the law no. Law no emphasize upon and daily.
Okay.
Na ya achieve results no. Very soon we'll clear our waters, we'll preserve our forests. We'll plant trees, we'll reclaim the lands. With the benefit of voting for the NDC party.
Well, say elections there were consequences and no na Emmanuel Alote Ekano. Enra Lands and Natural Resources Minister almost saying real forest in say almost turn on Emery Forest.
Yeah.
Finally, a hona akonta e wono. Na weka ya brebi etwem no aboy sama taxi for no nene clash wo galamsey ho a ono sese won kofa China phobia. Nti mukoto China phobia ho a mo ne omuni enyo na akofo ma ba or the response about Queen
when was seven
want to me yes galamsey no still mon regional chairman he say you revoking a license say want to me yes CZ 30 excavators ne nema bebre afin ho was saying sase according to minister
no mo budget because omo kan o mo chita for so mo budget
there
to mo general license
okay
to omo agye no mo bi enye won because 2009 year 2012 year sa ko 2016 ba power but my men can chire me nua be ma do say won't me fear me I'm not here to defend Obia in fear me ansa wanye dwumata in fear me ansa wanye dwumata but omo ano mo ne bo hye na omo ne twa ho hye ni nyina they were working na da bia ye kan say dodo ani sade o so ntakrache what you say me nua be ma lute kasa na o se no a wo da initially ko se meti ba bi na me gime ni kakra na e kire me kasa na mo fie o kasa correct no se na minister ye adwuma but o minister won timi na wo enya dia order adwuma na ye ra John Dramani mama dia ma no numa de kontia oni bi de tia John Dramani mama de post my president man no
let me try me
na Nadan Kwakufu the last state of the nations addressed we no ono na kasa of parliament to to na nadu din ankasa mana nadu din no obose kama KARMA mpacho Robert bi send me message say Angel TV call off weekend na ni anopa nyina na omunya eba se de no kasa ha
e bia omo other platform eba
won okay ne do resource eba
yeah
ma me kire no to president din the microphone say wanim cry me baby cry oh baby cry me baby Mr. President Mr. Minister cry me ocean cry me baby obeswan kasa cry me oh cry
do you know why he cried
me pe ho aye dey
on fa ho manen kana
dia na me pe ho aye
Egyptians na ye ho no
cry me baby Edia na amani su
tears of joy
wotie edia na amani su excavators o chichi ai bi hira enkrofo ye kofo mo ba enkrofo ye se ye China for e do mbako because omo deserve ye prisons na mom Ghana for do omo ntena ho o kasa nsem ni nyina bo mo hwe din ototo ye Nana Kwakufu Addo former president of the land no hwe ako a enye ono no ne keke ayi e friend say ye former DC elembele
yeah
what mean in Tigna street west na mchi excavator west no mo dia bomb pop blows me wa Ghana akuturuku pa box in the brofo no pop den iti mampani di post no manam say awore odi amani die say de wa kunsuansuwa ho ene galamsey fo abotwede wo ne constituency ne die ne hodie ni nyina na wotwenom ka so mbesi no no na say ne ho ne die wotimi de nansa no wasine na afi wode na nanu aka ho na say wie de whole Ghana na wotwe galamsey empacho ani diem owura ya me nwa be ma solo bo ni din
Professor
Azan na de
Kwaku Azan Kwaku Asare
na me kana sare na Azan
Kwaku Asare
okay fine
why then
onu owura ya de na question space authority there wo ye ayi a o twabo na na do wi a no mama o na po ya de question space authority omo nyina bankushi wo manum ehye wo mo bankushi wo num na hye wo ntimi nkasa o mena wo kokko be hye wo e na wa amene so wo num be woro nti se wo manum aworo ana
adan
none of them is talking about galamsey anymore and now when your Facebook post to be and no akura de owura ba ko se ye ne aye ka galamsey nsam ne ye ne aye criticize aban we nyina ye dogs o ni page this here now obi abisa se nti sa time no mo so ye dogs ana nkasa asa na nye fe nye ne di ni so ba akura ka uti ni so ba akura ka sasa mu na mi bisa sa sankrofo ni nyina mo we CSOs you tag nkrofo bi yet kroma ma glossack aban adwuma ye for glossack for threat aban we say when you should state of an emergency or more yes sit down strike owura bi na nanim ye tia ni tiri yen pese or block 37 kwan no ma pem for ambulance ba ye de na ekọ emergency wa block kwan so ma na nkọ wa block kwan se nkrofo ekọ omunwuma so mom do omum ekọ school wa block kwan na no pa
stop galamsey
wo wie no diga na fatam se munim nyansa kamoku ado no enka mu na odi atampoto no wo ko galamsey wa ha ta no anya forest egu a police for me no ye twetwa mo tsa chicken ye egu box mo ye free the freezer aye de be chia aye fried rice e a soldier fo bi ya bro wo mo Erastus don call your colleague journalist wo di mali woni mali so do hotel house akasa so mali ni ye bo free wo che o so na wo da fo no omnum ni metro 14 obi ene no da fo obi ene a soldier aye metro 4 ne gina no so yi udi nchimi be sa abu to the extent that omu rat territory bia a whole constituency executive timbe ka kire o say ade na wo ba no wa mo mama ne na onim sama ban na wo ho bacho minim so onim driving mi ankasa me chief driver ewie program am fa mo anan ko suhum heya na ko hwe wani so ade ko hwa de ekoso ye nyankrofo da bia na metra kasa fidie so a me ka se NDC bo MPP so bo so omo na etu galamsey because omo ban na wo MPP bo omo so bo so mo nkrofo no gusutu me I was the only person who sat on TV and radio and said say some MPP ni bi to bi na animu for nipa ko police station my channel wonim send this ni bi to am yen channel wo mo ba ya NDC for take over you say hospital OPD running shift ko diagnose you akọ na mo fra ba akọ running over my cap is running over and MPP ni by and legally or license ko betimi akọ site to to galam so we call the concession site how dey allocate amame genuinely I have my license me to MPP ni by and e din komo bibisa ralute MPP ni by ne betimi akọ so ko to a former goodie because he or she has the license so was what to one so ma take over na me see minister cry me water baby cry me love song samano obesua on say ora be bad no sabeto ni kom be massage na chi say papa jasu no na de ko no de nya de ye betimi akon na say trofo to what twen ye ntwa man su nya sa na wase bia be ka che o so wie ye no proposal be no de bai
we revoke license
we opponent our country with it for so by general license and no na make is he the only person who has mining site me bacho excuse me say bacho need him excavators no chi say ya bless you chi bi mo say 500 excavators ye me ka so me te so obo ye wura yi papa na wo hwa akoma professor man appointment wo hwa akoma ye se kokko hafu magudi ye de ma ro ade obi akoma bubu obi anya broken heart na koma say obi agya no na koma bubu kokko he na correct akoma atete kososo ye de fuma dwuma ma wa no agye owura kan ye gudam ko fa ade bi wudu wani hwem say hu sasase ne kono atententen ko fa ship fa niema bi aka private jet nkwa wan fa ma
drone
na me kan say when they to sen me na mbisa asa question team pa drone e be ye de ko minim say de man ro ko nkro nketo ma emergency ni o say to sen sa na fa na fa forest no na say e fa kire ho a e twa pictures ni videos e wi ase so ba kan wo wie ya wo ka kire ye say wo hwa koma abubuo e de ma wa waje wo wie a wo ba ban na chi
okay
eti cry me oh baby wo cry wie ye no hu ya odi abaye de he say free na kwa na mo we ni metu because I come here say proposals on the aba nyina no sebeta fracture with due respect me personally ni Ghana for bebre nto ya so ye te ase enye yie
ni den
say me che China ni a Wono nani man ketenkete hwe. So wakɔ China da. Kura nam so ye hyiawa. Wo mokomoko anu se kura si bi wonu ya yere wo ha na hwe wonu so wo witwi ngam.
Yeah.
Unu anu go ntia.
Be yato form.
So wo we kura ne firi wonu wo nhyɛ da. Firi wonu to form a wo be ko jail. So de wo kɔ kwanso. Owure ne nkɔ kwanso. Wo ti ase. Man.
Ese me penye dia.
So obi witwi ngam a wo nkɔ China. Wo ye campaign wa ha. Wo witwi ngam wo China abonten so ne firi wonu to form a. Wo nim so obedem. But obi to me ye na ni wo de Germany kura de tetafo do this do ko tetafo nkro no ye tade tie ni. Wono nani man ketenkete no aba ne afa box ntu ba ko da so aba hemfie na no wono nkatwi won kakasa bia obegyina ni ni se ye ohu ade kora ti mamuni ade nani ma ba bo ana akwa hemfie so owura yi ba wo ba yi wanya license won kran wo betu ha waka kire ode ne sa kire se ba bia nso yi ha kakra ya no wotu meka nso aye nso esi table so nye nso asase ha kakra no wotu no ohina age so se you wono do to ne ade asema bebo no ka hunu se China ni twa ticket wo tena wiem se 11 hours abakura mu no nkwa ne bai but we need him that's any na de bai to ohene no kasa wi aso okay ne mi krom rantie ni me suggestion bi na no cry baby so betie mi a mi kro no rantie ni so se ha na wutu a eboso me dodo se na betu me de afi na etu ha wo wi a halele na akọ so wutu transuoi ana wutu tra baby a me fun yi dai ekọ baby a solo nso yi si a e wo so kroma no take charge but oti
obumra
say ye ne yankasa yamfa ya sase ya yete so nsuo na ye nom ho ne ma na anhye ye nsem
okay
obi no no witwi ngam onu kroma wo kodam 3-4 years no beba ha abese ye nsuo yete kroma ye yesuso be 8 years me so person ojo time me wo be 8 years na ya fori no be 100 and something na me man aduane wo tete aduane ama no na ya kan radio wireless keto bi sata wireless kunkunkunku ese nkrofobia kwa galam se no kra se frofro a e ma na ba no ma na ya asomade eska ni bre ni wiase but oti
yes
ya when they were one this winning power say youth in mining China straight
so when de galam se
but me say youth in mining me nka so nka me shima no me sra ni dim e bro ba mi o say so tro ba mi anka
so now say galam se
so ti ase ni e buy na galam say yi ab is a good thing but uncle take advantage of that
okay
try ya tia say ya mi anse ya tie wobetimi a kyere yade ye wo se yenye ye be ye pepepe ba solo adwene nko madwene nko ye ralu ta adwene nko ye sigate ya no a obi a wadwene ye betimi a ye bibia tia wa wo hu se waye eti ye be so me kyere me panel no man kan kyere mo se omon kan se man kan kyere mo se omon nyena ba de mu ba akwakoye e ba sa ye ka ye de wo be ye dai e be fra
okay
misra ye kaka furu ne kamada mpan wa metie wo video bi na nsentrofo bebreka apart from say ya boy ras to so ne ade na mo say ya bum kra mo so mo nka ho asem biem nyina makama no apado ya hwe mo say ya bum sotoro anga
part of the job
part of the job ye ya bre so ne na nya part of the job sa bre no so na nya part of the job ya bu nu ya bo bi mali na ni enyo awe ho
so far no
but onyo na ye show no
o ya wi enti
man menka so onya dwuma menka ha me pa so be me na ahai no maka so owura ne nya dwuma adwuma ya ne cry me oh baby cry oh cry o cry ya no de na watimi de aba
o say e be chassis number ne de back track
the only
ya wa ha ya ma mfa kitwa we nka ya wa ha na V8 wo bo baba so da enso mo betia no do be pa boss body na me see be tise ne de hwam se show ya wa ha
the Egyptians are no more
the Egyptians are no more
that we saw them yesterday they are no more na osu no
wo be so osin ya wa ha ma V8 mienu so hu video no bia ma akọhwe na bia me dia ma be sane me nua me ma adi excavator sechi me kra de car na yese na de na yese no mo di sinsuo mo na wonim se nsuo no mad atache na wa ase na me bi so be se ne excavator no se de mu yedu nkensuo no betwena ko yese o mu lodu apogum se o mu strategy China for na kyerem combat no ma sa chante ayere yisusu ni nyina firi mu eti ne ko nsuo se nsuo no behunahuna no kra no eni hope you ne yete airport yete habo ha ade na yese aban control say personal individual ko high excavator koto excavator bra fa be ha aban fan ko yi kwan ya de ko hefa there are a lot of questions that needs to be asked at the port concerning excavators any some fine any amana ever no me ba to dem me time kura maka no see me time ka ya me ye nipa bia masam no said ye tie no fanu utie Dika chikwa ha.
Mami ko so.
Minimum si yapon kwa na sa. Mini bia meka obi na mom cry me oh baby. Cry wo be swan kasa.
Mami ka bibi say
ama Kofi bu asem.
John 11:35. E dey no.
Bible quotation.
O pese o kan Jesus word.
O say Jesus word.
Jesus word.
Na me kai mi Sunday school Bible na o say Jesus sun. Isa say no hwe de Martha and Mary ejadwa no mutwa ewo omunua be ma Lazarus a wawu a no Yesu nim se oba benyane no na ahoyombo
okay
tina Lazarus no Yesu nim se oba benyane omo
okay
ma no wusu esanse ohwe Martha ene Mary gidia omunia no so se eyesu ni bi ana Kofi Amabua esu dia ene na enkuranhye ho na eni so ade eni da so ho esanse na se wusu ade ababechi o man nkwa de wo mu nyina nse galamsey
yes
a problem in fact galamsey no e ade illegality wo ti o se etumi tu ase na Obama ebetumi tu ase na political wo iskafo na e o man mu mpenimfo e wo mu amofrɛ mu honorables chiefs imams pastors omuna eye galamsey
okay
once was so okochie no once a forestry for count security for count the expect ministers so be start your boss anko phone din na ya prosecute because one more mudia enye esa say me am share video di bi the one must be destroy sa tunnel
forest
enye ni patrimoine
asojafo ahoho militant
no ni patrimoine o na yetumi atena kromo ama foreigners abebie abrewani nkran ewo ye forest mu constituency and as a region bia original police commander district bia omuso omunim ade na edi ho abrosa
na ya we
abetu ni di yomo bega chese abrewani nkran enti minister no bia wa sha ase afiri no me fi say ye nyina ye moa no na ontu ase very important because see ye do ba bia anhwe ye the next 10 years ye nya ase betumi ahye biyem hyehyeme na ye besre wo mo nso a ye de motudwuma edia no sisi ananse ye regional commanders foforo momo man no ho do ehia mo sika bebrebe na ankasa munya ade na mo de ye because ye na reflect mo fanso na mo kra ho ni sika die nyefe
bullet ba mo fanso sika die no so kra fato
enfata wo mo so ti ase se ye na ye ni ye a ebeboa ba so far me wo se ye born tuja no minister no etu anamo bia me fi se ye nka esu ni de mo ma because usu kra be mo ya adwuma no ala me makase the only way ye be meja no ne se ni kromu elembele hona nkasa nkobra na eni beti eti a wawie na adwuma
okay
na so far no eni nyante ena no rastos eko ye friend say ankobra na so ye ko hu se galamsey bi obi ye mine was insurance dia na to se nipa no onim ni ntina wonche na ase de
no
it is ya maya nye straighter because me nya sure so kofa NDC manifesto ofa MPP manifesto ofa a movement for change ya tro mu say ye ba obi ngo galamsey e ja de tra otro mo ko die galamsey na be affect a whole political party ye di free ho na de na Jennifer so ka no enu kura wom enu tira na movement for change ye kase ye constitution article 2576 no ye amend ye ntumi fa tumi ni nkwa nhyɛ ɔmampani nsɛm sɛ wote na wa ma license na obi aba me kurom ɔhene ne de ɔte ɔnti himfo na ye ne di sobo ɔbɔ ɔmo no ɔmo ni tumi bia o ɔhene bɛ ne ma ɔtumi ɔde ma license
ye consult ɔmo kra
enu ti se ye ne saa na ye de ye sakyerem na de himfo no bɛ ka ho sɛ ansa ne be ma tumi ne gye sɛ mo so ma approve a na no de ye hu se ye ba no ye illegal money woni ye so hene wo ka ho ene ne ye bo abomu a ne ye bo abomu na we o ti ase obi eni tumi na politician bi tia na wa ye de ope na o de ase bebia ye be se minister on tonko so na oye ni yi a ono ankasa ne nchima wo manketo a sane ye ya bankruma na o mo bra bia wo dwomoro ho no ba bia odi ni papa di ho ekokodi MP ho a obaye cha CPP kra mu pani no se Kofi Amabua so ram John Mahama ono so mamema me ho se Sharaf na se odase e bia kra ono so presidential ambition obo ne ho modin a ni din nti ebe ma ne ma That's it.
Because papa win a fighting galaxy.
That is it.
Okay.
And today, money luxury.
Okay.
That they must look at that and fight to save this country.
Fantastic. Solo is back. Solo now tene kano.
What you trying to hold?
Afutuo na omodi
Cry me,
amama.
baby, cry me.
Papa isu di am say hia opa. Mama enfa happy birthday. Emma Gameli Mensa aka Monkey Man aka Gagamel. And your birthday. Yeah, wish you happy birthday. We are Vice Principal of Academics and Skills Delivery Applied Technology Institute, Shiashi, East Legon. More the same premises with Ghana TVET headquarters. And Gameli Mensa, we are Juma Vice Principal. And happy birthday to you. Yeah, wish you happy birthday. Strong Kokra. Sasona, a Greater Accra, Regional Police PRO, Julian Obey. And your birthday, Greater Accra Regional Police PRO, Juliana Obin. Hey. Happy birthday.
One I request man.
Nadam for power ha.
Hey. What to?
Police PRO. Nadam for power.
Police PRO.
Greater Accra.
So police they said I want my life for baby Julie. And happy birthday, why?
Ma Julie,
hey, what the police with a swaggo? Aboko.
And I'm so
hey,
Hey, Miss Remo.
Obetina suma no pay. See, I wish happy birthday.
I don't want I give you happy birthday,
happy birthday.
Ba ku bi ka ho na me no kura bo me ho omo fa to so ana
am fa to so because am go be here no me bi okufia yes and now you say mo ba ya hey ba to fa to so ba yes am fa to so ba police with the swag e be encourage slave oni nyina am mo ko yes am fa to so na nya se bia uko police ra o ho betete mo ma swag mrem
Adams o ka se slave for ni nyina nkola ni nyina and then pennyful. I'm a young adult as a child.
Yes.
Obey
the 21 or
so said and if you mamma is a
why are dear?
They say me to a man.
Why are dear?
Brother Kwame Kobe.
That picture about really as an aso channel club vanity.
Why you send me German in what we free off?